Hello friends. Today we are going to discuss the first chapter. The first chapter of your business organization and management. First topic is some introduction and meaning of the management. So now you just remember one thing, that what's the meaning of management, right? So many people says his management is not good, he is not doing the good management. Means the management means as the person direct other person, the other person should follow his words, his orders, and try to fulfill his planning. It is a simple meaning of the management. In old days, what we were seeing, the kings were giving orders and his subordinates were trying to follow his orders. Here, management includes so many small activities, as like the planning, as like the supervision. Supervise means to see that the other person is doing the work or not properly, he is doing the work or not. It is called supervision. As you are going in the examination room, the supervisor is seeing that you are writing your paper in proper way or not. It is called supervision. Planning, supervision, coordination. Coordinate, sometimes you can confuse with the word coordinate, means connect one person with the other person for doing same activities, that you have to do this work, he has to do this work, right? Again, planning, supervision, coordination, guidance. These activities are included in management, and it is being done for accomplishment of their work. So in short, what's the meaning of the management? In short way, you want to say that management is an art to get work done through others. I repeat my word, management is an art to get work done through others. It is a process which includes planning, supervision, coordination, and guidance. This is a process to accomplish the work done given to them. This is a simple meaning of the management. Now listen very carefully. The management is in modern days not being discussed by only one person, but so many people have given its definitions, and all definitions are included in different ways. So here we will discuss the definition of three people. The first one is Kunduz and O'Donnell. What he says, what they says, sorry, not a one person but two people. They said management is the art, management is the art of getting work done through others. Management is an art of getting work done through others. So it is an art, right? You understood the meaning? It is an art. Here, who is the manager will not do the work by himself, but he will instruct others. If the person is having any problem, he will try to solve the problem. So it is an art. that he has not to do the work. See, in the cricket match you can see the captain is not doing every activity of the whole cricket match, but he direct his player to do this right activity done at the right time through get it through others is the main purpose of management, right? This is an explanation of Kunduz and O'Donnell's explanation definition. Now the second one is Livingston. Now listen carefully, this is the second person. The first definition was very easy. The second person is Livingston. What he says, you carefully write down as I am explaining by your note pen properly. I am explaining very easily. Management is a function of achieving predetermined objectives. Management is a function of achieving predetermined. Predetermined means pre-decided objectives. Objectives means goal of business unit with the use of minimum time and cost, as well as by making efficient use of available resources. Again, I am explaining it. Management is a function of achieving predetermined objective of a business unit with the use of minimum time and cost, as well by making efficient use of available resources. Sometimes the students have sometimes questions from this definition. What to achieve? Achieve the goal. And here it is given predetermined objective. For that purpose, the use of time and cost. See, cost is very much important because the salary is being paid to the people. If they are wasting the time, then the production is not done. In compared to the paid salary, it is already affecting to the cost of production. So the minimum time and cost means maximum production in minimum expenses is the main purpose behind this definition. And third one is George Terry. In a whole BA subject, OCM subject, you will find so many times George Terry will be there at so many portions in the whole syllabus you will find. So the management is such a process. It is a process which plans, because the planning is compulsory, and control. Here I will speak 6M. So as write down these 6 words, in bracket you put 6M. Again repeat, management is a process which plans and control man, machine, material, method, money and market. Man, machine, material, method, money and market. It provides leadership, coordination and direction to human efforts. The human efforts is given for the work is being done by the man. To human efforts which help to achieve the business objectives. So here the main thing is the goal is compulsory, required to be achieved by 6M with providing proper leadership, coordination and direction. Thank you very much.